Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the download location on Google Chrome. This will change the folder in which new downloads will save to. When you are on Google Chrome, tap on the menu button at the top right of the screen. Now click on the Settings button at the bottom of the list. In Settings, scroll all the way to the bottom and then tap on Advanced. Now you are in Advanced Settings, scroll down to the Downloads section. Click on the Change button and a folder window will pop up. You can now choose the new location for your Chrome downloads. Just click on a folder and then select Select Folder. As you can see, the download folder location has changed. You can also create a new folder to use as your download folder. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chrome tips and tricks.